What's up, guys? I'm not the biggest Pokemon card collector. I play Pokemon Go. You guys can probably tell by watching my channel. But I got one of these mystery packs just for the heck of it. I don't know what's good, what's not. So comment below if you see something good in here, because I don't know what's good. And this thing. There we go. That's how you open it. So, throw that away. We don't need that anymore. Let's put the scissors away. We got some energy cards. Rotom. So far, nothing that special, really, right? Like, I'm not seeing anything special here yet. And these must be my hits from this point on that I got out of this pack. So, you see something amazing after these, let me know. Like, here's this one's a shiny one. And then here is a GX one. And I don't know. That's why I don't collect Pokemon cards. Not really impressed with that pack. I'm assuming if I bought actual packs, I would get better stuff than just taking a chance with a mystery box. But, is what I get out of that. And, yeah, I don't know, guys. Just not impressed. But what did you guys think? Comment below and let me know.